Hey, what's up folks? In this project, we're upgrading our candy bowl with an animated eye. This year, we're tricking out our candy bowl with Adafruit's HalloWing M4. This animated eye looks pretty realistic, and you can use the touchpads to trigger LED animations. So get ready to win this year's Halloween with animated eyes. The HalloWing M4 has everything you need to add an animated eye to your projects. It features a new IPS display, so it looks great at just about any angle. It also has built-in NeoPixels, so you can create some really nice lighting effects. In this project, you can touch the pads to cycle through 4 different LED animations. It's really easy to set up the HalloWing M4 with new software. With Adafruit's firmware, you can install new programs without having to set up Arduino. Just download the UF2 files from the Learn Guide. Plug in over USB and double press the reset button to load the boot drive. Then just drag and drop the UF2 file onto the USB drive. The board will automatically restart with the new software. This makes the process so much easier so you can quickly get your projects up and running. We think it's never been easier to add electronics to your projects. To build this project, be sure to check out the Learn Guide. Links are in the description. This was a lot of fun to work on, and we hope this inspires you to get your projects ready for Halloween. Be sure to check out the Adafruit Discord server so you can chat with the community. We want to give a big shout out to you folks sharing your projects. We invite you to Adafruit Show and Tell livestream so you can be awarded a free vinyl sticker. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more projects from Adafruit.